Now let's discuss the preforming of component leads. There are some very important reasons for bending leads into specific shapes. Just what shape the leads need depends on the requirements for the particular circuit board. One reason for preforming leads is to provide stress relief. Some components heat up during normal product operation. When they heat up, their leads expand. If they don't have the proper stress relief bends, they could pull on the board. This pulling may cause damage to the through-hole lands, crack a solder fillet, or crack the end of the component. Throughout the assembly process, the entire circuit board will heat and cool. Again, stress relief bending keeps component leads from pulling and damaging both the component and the board lands as everything expands and contracts. One type of component preforming is called lock-in crimping. This type of preform helps hold components in place on the board whenever the board may be subjected to high vibration. Other preforming shapes hold certain types of components above the board. Some components get so hot during normal operations that they could damage the board if they were too close. There are special shapes for space or real estate considerations. A component that is normally placed on the board in a horizontal position may have its lead shaped so that it can stand vertically off the board. This way, it will take up less board space. This makes room for other components underneath, or can create more perimeter space around the component. When making this type of bend, care must be taken to protect the end of the component. The bend must be made far enough away from the end of the component so that the end seal doesn't crack. Finally, component leads must be preformed to fit exactly into the through holes of the board. If they are not bent just right, they will be difficult to manually insert.